So now let's see how we can work around with exposure inside of Pixlr E. So here you can see that I have an image, and to work around with its exposure, which is its brightness, we should go around into adjustment, and then we should go around into exposure right here. Once we do that, the option is pretty simple and straightforward. We can just increase the amount of exposure, and you can see that the picture is brighter right here. So unlike the brightness, what the exposure does is it actually makes it seem as if the lights are brighter in the scene. So you can increase this out, and you can see that instantly the image is brighter. So you can see the before and after right here, and press apply just like this. Similarly, I'm going to bring out another image right here. Let's say, for example, let me select this dark image. So right now the exposure for this image, as you can see on this part, is lower. So I can simply go to adjustment. I can go to exposure right here, increase the amount of exposure, and it makes it seem as if the picture is shot in higher exposure settings. So unlike the brightness, it does not really affect the very dark areas right here. So it preserves the detail out over here according to how you like it. And that is how you can work around with exposure inside of Pixlr E.